What's going on, Team MG? Back with you again, doing some how to get your horse to stand still for the farrier. Now, first things first, whenever we talk about getting horse to stand for the farrier, we should be talking about a trained horse. People who call for an unbroke horse for their farrier, they really don't like their farrier that much. So you want to get the basics, the fundamentals, the groundwork, go through our step-by-step program, at least from the groundwork. If it's a foal or a young horse that you plan on getting trimmed or shoed, you want to have those fundamentals. So to start, you want to make sure that your horse is desensitized, and that when you come over here and you start touching and throwing that rope over their back and withers, that you can also throw it around their legs. And you see she's a little touchy here.